Do you need quick and fun hairstyles for your straightened hair for this holiday season? I've got you covered. I'm going to show you 4 hairstyles that are easy to do. Let's get into it. So for the first hairstyle we're going to go with is just a regular blowout. Just having the hair flip just gives it an elevated look. I'm not too big on flat silk presses. Don't kill me, don't kill me. I love a little bit of body, I love a little bit of volume, and I love a little bit of curls. So when I do get my hair silk pressed, I typically still get curls in them. So maybe it's not a silk press, I don't know. This is hairstyle number 1. So this is what this looks like. I used, yeah. So this is what it looks like. Just hair down, nothing in it, still gives what it needs to give for the holiday season. So I achieved this hairstyle by using my new Baby Talk thermal brush. I used the round brush on my blow dried hair. So this is what it looks like. I didn't get flat on the roots because I really didn't care. I like all the volume. So let's do the next hairstyle. For hairstyle 2, I'm just gonna do a side part. I'm just gonna take the hair on this side and bring it on to the other side, find my comb, and just do a little part here. And you may have to re-curl this part, maybe not, but I'm just gonna take a smaller comb, part through, then you get the part, and you can make it as deep as you want to. And then what you're gonna do is, and if you have preference, you can, you know, lay your edges down. I take 3 decorative pins. I have these ones with me. I just go in and you can style the pins however you want. I just make sure the whole pin is showing. I'm just gonna do like a pattern. And you can wear this to like a corporate party, a girls' night, holiday event. Super simple. And so yeah, this is really simple, super easy. You just grab some of your hair pins, and if you don't have any decorative ones and you don't want to purchase any, you can just use regular bobby pins. I have some that kind of go with my hair color. So you can just use bobby pins, and yeah, this is very easy. And if you want more of a curl, I would go in a little bit more with the round brush or with your curler just at the top, just if you want to give it some more curls. But I think this looks really pretty, so I'm just going to show you. Still same back. Yeah, let's get into hairstyle number 3. For hairstyle 3, we're going to put a couple of twists in the hair. So I'm just gonna part right here. Take that much hair, flip this back. And if you only know how to roll it and do a twist, that can work too. But I'm going to do a flat twist. Then take that piece. Bobby pin it to the back. You can just hold it there for the moment, and then take this side and do the same thing. You don't have to use a lot of hair. You can make it as thin or thick as you want it.
That gotta be baked.
And then pin this one to the back. And you can also take a rubber band and tie them together if you think they're gonna move. I'm just putting it to the back. And then there you go. And like I said, you can have it thicker. I keep making my hair bigger and bigger. You can also just do it on one side if that's what you like, or you can do it on this side too. This is style number 3. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Still in the back. Looks like that. With style number 3, you can also use some edge control if you want to tidy it up, but it really doesn't matter to me. I like it both ways. So yeah, I like this hairstyle. Let's do our last one, hairstyle number 4. Who doesn't love half up, half down? So we're going to just take some hair here. And then I just take a piece. So I just put this right here for now. Take these pieces. And if you have a colorful bow, this would be a better option. You take it, take my Fenty hair edge control. So my camera died, but I just went on ahead and did this side, because I'm just taking some of my edge control. And then you take this piece and I usually take like 3 of these bobby pins. Hey, again. And then I take one and clip the piece under the bottom part of my hair. So like I just take it. And if you want, you can do a little bit more of a curl. This is what it looks like. I think this is really cute, one of my favorite hairstyles to do. And I just bring it up to the front. And there you go. This is super cute. And you can use any kind of bobby pins right here or clips right here. So that is hairstyle number 4. Which style was your favorite of the 4? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out the curly edition of my holiday hairstyles. See you in the next video.